Yo, insomniacs. Tired of counting sheep? We're spilling the tea on the real causes of those sleepless nights. Stay tuned to find out what's keeping you up, and how to finally catch those zizzies. Stress is public enemy number one when it comes to sleep. It's the silent thief robbing you of deep rest. Work problems, relationship issues, financial concerns, they all fuel your restless nights. They keep your mind racing long after you hit the pillow. Adore your afternoon latte? It does more than just perk you up. Surprisingly, caffeine lingers for hours in our system. Consequently, it makes falling asleep quite a struggle. Put down the phone and step away from the laptop. The screen's blue light can suppress melatonin. This hormone tells your body it's time to sleep. Ready to reclaim your sleep? Here are some tips. Set a sleep schedule and unwind bed. Avoid caffeine and alcohol at night. Use exercise for stress relief. Remember to keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Sweet dreams, everyone. Good night's sleep is critical for health. So start snoozing soundly tonight. What keeps you up at night? Share your nighttime conundrums in the comments below.